Another Sunday, another book, and yet again we're together. I would like to mention another of the books on rigging that is a favorite among ship modelers, and it does contain useful information, to be sure. It is a little bit of a mix, trying to be everything to everybody. So inevitably it is lacking depth in some aspects, but the illustrations are clear. It is given a good guide overall to types of rigs and rigging in the 18th century. Pretty much what it says on the tin. Karl Marquardt does not need any introduction as author, friendly to ship modelers and providing necessary information. So the book is great from as an introductory text, as a ship modeling reference, absolutely. It is not some, you can use it also for scholarly work, but most of the work has to be backed down with something. And most definitely it is not a book that I would recommend to be your sole single source for a major treatise on rigging in the Eastern Mediterranean that is offered as a doctoral dissertation, or even as only a master's thesis for that matter. And yet not long ago, I had to read through a doctoral candidate's study of rigs in the Eastern Mediterranean that was entirely based solely on this book. I prefer to draw a veil over the memory of this experience, but for the purposes of this channel and what we are discussing at the moment, do go to the sister channel, do what you know. You will see there a reference to the book. You will page through it. You will be able to see what sort of information it contains. And yes, it is reasonable and reasonably reliable. Is it going to be the final word on the subject? Is it my sole source if I'm seriously researching rigs? No, but it is an excellent starting point for this sort of research. Below, in the description, you will find a link to the book. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what other books you would like to hear about. If I don't, then the director and producer of this channel will read the comments, and no doubt I will be marched to the chair with the respective resource to address. So I wish you all the best for the rest of your Sunday.